Daddy!
Yes, what is it, Aisha?
How many times a day do we have to pray?
Isa, why don't you tell your sister the answer?
Muslims have to pray 5 times a day.
How do you know that?
I learnt about Islam at your madrasah.
I want to too. Daddy!
Yes, Aisha?
Can I want your madrasah too?
Of course you can learn at your madrasah. You can enroll at any time.
However,
Your madrasah is bringing Islamic education into the homes of Muslim families all across the world. You can access your madrasah from the comfort of your home, in any place, at any time, on any device. Why choose your madrasah? Your madrasah is the online Islamic school for your children. We have a curriculum approved by scholars in Medina. We have customizable student portal with animated and interactive lessons. There are live lessons with Q&A sessions, as well as quizzes and competitions. Enroll anytime. We have a complete and comprehensive curriculum available at your fingertips. Our classes are a combination of live and animated classes, so students learn using a variety of effective methods. Your madrasah makes learning about Islam enjoyable for the whole family, while benefiting both you and your child in this life and the hereafter. Enroll now at yourmadrasah.com.